What's going on, guys? Morlo back with another vlog. Happy holidays, happy New Year's to all the viewers and stuff watching my videos. Today I got some work wheels in from Japan. I got my tires in too. We're gonna go install it at Intrack tires in Queens, New York. And let's get right into this video. We ain't playing today, we're getting right into this video. Let's go. Nice Super. Dope ass GTR. Intrack. Got to my boy Vic's house. Gonna wash this dirty old SI. Give a nice little hand wash. Dropping the supplies. Let's get this going. Just some stuff I'm gonna be adding with this wheel install is gonna be some project kicks. They call these Legdura Racing lugs. It's a two-piece lug. It's basically a lug and it's like a shell. The shell goes over that lug, and I'll show you guys during the wheel install how they look and stuff. And I'll put a link in the description as well, so you guys, if you are feeling them, you can purchase them yourselves. This I got from eBay. It's like a window pillar vinyl. I'll show you guys that later when I wash the car and stuff. This vinyl wrap is gonna go over the plastic window pillars that are here, and it's a more glossier gloss black look, so it's gonna look much more cleaner. These here are the Project Kicks two-piece lugs. They go real well with the wheels. Love it. So this is the OEM matte black finish. Hate it. I got a chrome delete coming in too. And this is with the black gloss overlay. Fire. Here's the back one. Fire. Car's all washed up. Just putting on some wax, final touch. Shit is looking great. I got some suspension coming in soon for it. I gotta do some other suspension upgrades too, and this car is gonna be fucking fire. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the new wheels that I got on. This year I got a lot of stuff going on, a lot more content to come, and I'm just trying to build on this and you know, see where it goes and just have fun. So I'll see you guys on the next one.